Oh, welcome, what's up guys, I am a Rabbit and today I want to show you tutorial how to have cheats in Grounded. Shitty, wait a second, okay, never mind, I do it. Okay, now it's voice. I will show you unlimited cheats to the Grounded. As you can see, I am immortal, I have speed, have unlimited stamina and many more. And you have link in the description to the program. This program is calling Vmod. Okay. And look at this. It is Vmod. Come on. Okay, it is Vmod. You must write after installing Grounded. Later you click on the play and here you have cheats. As you can see, it are cheats. Oh, easy kills. That's one. Unlimited health, breathe, super movement. And you know the thing. And have link in the description, and that's all. If I help you, you may write a comment and it work, and if I help you, you maybe like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, bye bye, and see you next time. It is very funny fish. Okay, and that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. There is fish. Maybe like and subscribe, write a comment, and bye bye. See you next time. Why in this lake is only one fish? Get over it. You can't kill this. Mortal. Okay, bye bye.